this demo, I'll introduce for you one software that can be used to simulate the signal from the Arduino. So what we have here, we have the Arduino workstation or workshop, and also we have PicSimLab. So this is the software that can be used to simulate the signal from the Arduino. So how this software? Before starting this simulating the signal, we have to connect two ports internally or virtually in the laptop. To do that, there is one software can be downloaded, and it's called COM-to-COM connection. And this software and how to download this software is uploaded to UTF's Canvas in the manual for PicSimLab. Once you download this software, you can link two ports together. So, for example, for my laptop, I just connect two ports, which is port number 1 and port number 2 together. Once these two ports connect to each other, then you don't have to have actual component. So you go to the Arduino workshop, then you make sure that you connect this workstation to one of the COM. For example, I'm connecting this workstation to COM number 2, and I go to the PicSimLab and connect to one of the COMs. So I'm connected to COM number 1, and make sure to select one of the COM that already paired. All right. After that, you can select the type of the board. So we have different type of the board. So we have the Arduino Uno, and we have also the PIC as well. So if you need to write a program using PIC. So for this subject, we're gonna use Arduino Uno. So I'm selecting Arduino Uno. Also, we have some workstation. So in this workstation, you can select some component. So if you need to download any component, you go to Input and you select any component you would like to use. So if you need keypad, then you just select the keypad and you just play with the keypad that already select. If you need to download potentiometer, this is the potentiometer here. At this stage, we don't need this workstation, so only I'm focusing in the Arduino itself. Now, once I write the code in the Arduino editor, then I can upload the code after I select the right Arduino, which is the Arduino Uno. So just uploading the code to my to my Arduino. And here, this is my oscilloscope to show the signal. All right. If you see here now, we have some signal that's coming up in pulse width modulation or like pin number 10. So in the oscilloscope, I have to make sure that I'm selecting the right pin. So I'm selecting I'm connecting the oscilloscope with pin number 10. Okay, you can see here, pin number 2 start to have some signal, which is the pulse width modulation. If I need to increase the duty cycle or decrease the duty cycle, I go back to my code and decrease the duty cycle. If I make it 10, then upload the code. You can see now that the duty cycle will change, and now the duty cycle become less. If I need to increase the duty cycle, I increase it in the Arduino workstation, then upload the code again. The code will be uploaded to the PicSimLab. All right, so now in the oscilloscope, I can see the signal. Now, what if I need to connect with the different pins? So I go to my code, change the pin to pin number 9 instead of pin number 10. And the same, I'm just uploading the code to the PicSimLab. All right. So if you see now, there is no signal in the scope. The reason behind that I'm just displaying the signal from different pins. So I have to select the right pin. I go to the pin number 9, and here's the signal. Okay, so I think this will be enough for you to understand the pulse width modulation and how to generate a simple pulse width modulation from the Arduino, and how to capture the signal from the code that already you write. Thanks so much.